Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A small, functional, and smart 17 square meters apartment near Place de l'Étoile. This apartment, completely redesigned by Boclaud Architecture, just a stone's throw from the Arc de Triomphe, is a true masterpiece, incorporating soft curves, pastel colors, and warm materials. At first, it might seem like a mathematical problem. Fitting a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom, an office area, an extra bed, and lots of storage into 17 square meters with a single window. Ultimately, it's a fascinating architectural challenge solved by Céline Boclaud to create a functional and comfortable student apartment.